Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and I am back with my second video of the day around Fortnite Battle Royale's new challenges. The one that we're going to be looking at today is the Visit a Llama, Fox and Crab, so let's take a look. So first up then we have the Llama structure, which is at the very top corner of the map, just near Junk Junction. Now this one is completely made out of metal and the other structures are going to be made out of different materials, but the great thing about it is you don't necessarily need to knock it down if you don't want to, because they are completely buildable. And once you get inside you will find a door just behind the neck here. Sometimes at the very bottom you will sometimes find a chest. Unfortunately there isn't one at the moment, but like I mentioned, you can always build and change it if you need to get to the top, where sometimes there is going to be a chest in the actual head of the llama structure itself, and if there is, then hopefully you're going to get some good loot. Next up then we have the crab structure, and this is located near the edge of Moisty Mere, right down at the southernmost point of the map itself. And again, this one is completely made out of wood, so if you do want to knock it down, it's not unfortunately going to give you any resources because it's buildable, and with a buildable structure like this, knocking it down isn't really going to do anything. But again, sometimes you're going to get a chest in each of the hands, which is really awesome. Now not everyone knows that the structures are actually buildable, so sometimes you can get in some lucky shots when someone's trying to knock down a structure. And then lastly we have the Fox, which is located near Wailing Woods near the coastline. Also, fun fact, there is also a truck hanging off the edge of the cliff, which sometimes has a chest on there for future reference. Now again, with this one you are going to find some doors down the bottom of the tail itself, so you don't necessarily need to knock through or build anything to get into the structure to get to some of those weapons. So hopefully you can be first to get to a gun, and if you do so, then yeah, sometimes it's going to work out. Sometimes though there's just going to be a Black Knight, it's going to take you out. And then the next guy that comes along, he's just probably going to take out that guy too. So yeah, a little bit unfortunate with that one. But that's going to do it guys for this video on how to complete this challenge of the Llama, Fox and Crab. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below so that I know that you actually enjoyed this sort of content. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so, and once you're subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I post a new video. If you've got any questions or comments on anything to do with Fortnite or any of the challenges within Season 3, let me know in the comments section down below and I'll do my best to try and answer them. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.